Hi, in this video, we'll be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017 edition Quant Problem Solving question number 179. Let's have a look at this question. Question says, it will take one machine 4 hours to complete a large production order. So, one machine to complete the large production order, it will take 4 hours. Okay. And another machine 3 hours to complete the same order. There is a one more machine, so it's called second machine. It will take only 3 hours. How many hours would it take both machines working simultaneously at their respective constant rates to complete the order? So both working together, how long they will take? Pretty simple, straightforward question, right? Remember that whenever they are giving you work and time and work problem, if the question is asking you how long, always we can assume the work in solve. So, but otherwise the standard formula is work is equal to rate of work into time taken, right? Work done is always equal to its rate of work into time taken, whereas the rate of work is nothing but work by time taken, right? Here, let us assume first, right, a number which is divisible by both 4 and 3, right? Let us assume the work here as say 12 units. 12 units is the job done by both the machines, but machine A can complete the 12 units in 4 hours. So every 1 hour it will do 3 units. Whereas machine B can do the same 12 units in 3 hours. So that means every 1 hour now the rate will be higher. So which is nothing but 4 units. Okay, if both are working together, right, they will do 7 units together, but the job which needed to be completed is 12, right? So time taken would be, time is nothing but work divided by rate of work. They can complete 7 units every hour, so 7 would be the denominator, and work we have assumed is 12. So 12 by 7 should be the answer. But if you look at the options are in the mixed fractions, so which is nothing but we can write this as 7 by 12 as 1 plus 5 by 7, right? So 1 plus 5 by 7 is nothing but 7 plus 5 divided by 7 plus 5, which is 12 divided by 7. So otherwise, right, how to split the mixed fraction we have seen already. Split, right, like this addition between 1 plus 5 by 7, so which is nothing but 12 by 7. Answer option has to be C. That's it. So if you are not comfortable with plugin, okay, I am not used to plugin, so as usual, right, you can take as per the normal method. If the machine 1 completes the job in 4 hours, then the rate of work would be 1 by 4. Here the machine 2 complete the job in 3 hours, so the rate of work would be 1 by 3. If both are working together, then we have to add the rates. It's nothing but 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Then it's nothing but LCM, right? So LCM is 12, so cross multiply 4 plus 3 will get you 7 by 12. But 7 by 12 here, if you look at it, answer choice here also given 7 by 12, which is wrong. 7 by 12 is not correct, because when you are finding rate of work, right, always the work has to be the constant. Here the work is 1. Right? What does it mean 7 by 12 here? For 7 times of the work, it takes 12 hours for them. So in that case, for 1, we are finding for 1, right? So how many hours it will take for both the machines to work at the respective constant rates? Here our work is 1, so in that case if you reciprocal this, you will get 1 by 12 by 7. Again 12 by 7 is nothing but 1 plus 5 by 7. So answer has to be here C. Eliminate all the other answer choice. In fact, answer choice E and D you can straight away eliminate, because A and B among themselves complete, right, 4 hours and 3 hours. If both are working together, they will complete in less than the time what they are taking, right? So 3.5 and 7 is definitely not possible. So answer has to be here C 1 5 by 7. Right. Hope this is clear. Thank you.